So, you know, you're going for the symbolism. I request you. Summer is coming. There is no water. There is a sewage disaster. There is an administrative catastrophe in Delhi. You've got to be practical and think of the people, Akashdeep. Let's not get egotistical about it. Ego will ruin things for the people of Delhi, then the people of Delhi will turn against you.
Yeah, definitely, Arnabji. I totally think that we should think of the people. And first of all, I will talk legally and then I will talk morally. If Sanjay
Then it's
Singh
okay, then
can
avoid.
use
Then
his
avoid.
MP-led funds
Then
of
avoid,
being
avoid,
chill
avoid,
and
avoid.
benefit the common man, why can't Arvind Kejriwal ji do the regular business? Now, you can say that some rules don't permit. As per Justice Ajay Rastogi, former Supreme Court judge, who says that I quote him, I don't find any legal barrier to this. So if a former Supreme Court judge says it, then he knows much more law than you and me, so we should abide by it. Even Arvind Mathur, who is a senior advocate in Supreme Court, says that he is not a convict, only an accused. His powers would be strict. So legally he can. Now, coming on to the morality ground, what my colleague in BJP was speaking about. Morality ground. अब morality के बारे में बात करते हैं. Do you know about Bharatmala project where CAG said that you did enormous magnitude of scam? Do you know even Ayushman Bharat project in which Ayushman 40% account did not go into money did not go into any account in Uttar Pradesh? Do you know what the Prime Minister action was? CAG officer were transferred. जब वो बताया दुनिया जो उन्होंने बताया कि ना कि ये स्कैम हुआ है उसको ट्रांसफर कर दिया गया ये हुआ है डू यू एंड यू टॉक अबाउट मोरालिटी लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट मोरालिटी हेमंत विश्वकर्मा शारदा स्कैम प्रेमा फंड 2000 करोड़ स्कैम छगन भुजबल महाराष्ट्र सदन स्कैम अजित पवार इरिगेशन स्कैम नारायण राणे लैंड स्कैम अशोक चव्हाण डू यू नो अशोक चव्हाण you said that he stripped the house of widows of the martyrs अशोक चौहान ये सारे आपके पार्टी में और जो फिफ्थ लिस्ट लोकसभा लिस्ट जिसमें तापस रॉय जिसके बारे में आपने बोला था सर आपकी पार्टी ने बोला था कि वो थीफ है चोर है आपने रैली निकाली थी कोलकाता में मैं यहाँ पे कोलकाता में हूँ मैंने देखा था तापस रॉय आपकी पार्टी में है सर किस बात के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं शुभेंदु अधिकारी के बारे में आपने पूरा बुकलेट निकाला था यहाँ पे शुभेंदु अधिकारी आपके प्रेसिडेंट बने के बैठे हुए हैं what type of morality you are talking about? Have you, have you forgotten everything?
तो फिर आप लोग मत
You're
बोलते
talking about
ना
morality. Throw them
आप
out.
लोग जनता के हक मत बोलते ना
You are
Can I respond now, Arnab?
कैसे morality की बात कर सकते
Arnab,
हैं?
he's spoken enough now. Can I
Are you
now?
feeling yourself? Tell me, am I wrong or apologize
Can
to
I
me?
come now?
It's very easy.
Am I wrong or apologize?
Oh, okay. So,
Can I
so
have
just,
30 seconds?
just one
30
point
seconds.
to you right now. Harish Khurana, before you come in, the Ayushman Bharat scheme is reaching almost 58 to 60 crore people. It is one of the most
Sir, the
successful
CAG
schemes on
requested
which
it. Sir,
anyone
CAG
eligible
the
can
CAG
register
live.
online. I don't know what scam you are talking about.
Arnab, 30 seconds
Now, Akashdeep, we stay on the issue.
I'll
We stay on the
finish
issue.
It is
The issue tonight is, can you run a government from jail?
This is true.
It's a very limited issue. And my view is you can't. You can't. You cannot
Arnab.
run a government from jail.
Arnab,
You know,
Can I
and
respond now?
Hemant Soren was arrested by the ED, he stepped down. Shibu Soren was convicted, he stepped down.
yes.
Jayalalitha became the first chief minister to be arrested in 1996. Lalu Prasad left the chief ministerial chair when he was accused in the fodder scam. Our friend here from the Aam Aadmi Party, Anmol, said, has he been accused? Well, he has been accused.
Yes.
And so the situation is fairly serious.
Arnab,
Harish wants
Can
to
I
respond.
respond?
Yeah, Harish and then Nikhil, I'm opening this up now. Harish.
Akash Muni saying about the morality issue.
In the court,
Boss,
that he
when
is
you
not an
remember, Akash, let me
Harish
speak
and
now.
Anmol.
See, Akash, you were talking about a lot of morality issues. Ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya. Did I said or Arvind Kejriwal said, कि if you go, आपके ऊपर आरोप लगता है तो पहले you step down and then face a probe and you if you come back, if you're clean, you come back. ये मैंने नहीं कहा था. ये अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कहा था, boss. When it come to you, you are now has to follow what you said now. My only point is this. and you're giving a lot of examples. I gave my own example from my house. My father, he stepped down. So please don't talk about the morality of the BJP. BJP takes morality grounds. No way. If they say that do it, तो अगर आप जो बात करते हो ना आकाश मुनि जी, आपके अपने नेता ने बोला था, मैंने नहीं बोला था. He said थी कि आरोप लग जाए, रिजाइन कर दो, उसके बाद चार्जेस को देखो, ठीक छूट जाए तो वापस आ जाओ. किसने कहा था? टेल मी नाउ आकाश, टेल मी. अब आपकी बोलती बंद हो जाएगी. सेकेंडली, आपने अभी बोला अक्यूज नहीं है. माय फ्रेंड फ्रॉम आम आदमी पार्टी सेड ही इज नॉट अक्यूज. I think वो पढ़ के नहीं आते. He don't read the word.
Mr. Khurana, you have not read properly.
मैं किसी के बीच में नहीं बोलता. Hear me out, then you speak. के कविता के साथ जब ही जो हुआ, उसमें accused क्या बोला गया? Accused Arvind Kejriwal and the mastermind of this scam is Arvind Kejriwal. ये इनके उस पे बोला गया. And you're saying accused नहीं है? What kind of logic you're giving it? What kind of logic you're giving it? Since last 14 months, Manish Sisodia, in the same case, is not getting the bail. Sanjay Singh, since last 6 months, he's not getting the bail.
Why did you fail to reply to the court?
यार ये hear me out ना, ये क्या बीच में बोलने की आपकी आदत पड़ी हुई है? बोली जाएगी. अपने बारे में बोलना. Sanjay Singh 6 months से जेल में है. In the same case, how is this possible that the mastermind is out and other people will be in jail? How can it be possible? So, my dear friend, first read what the technical part is and the law and the legal part is. It's clearly said accused and the mastermind of this whole scam is Arvind Kejriwal.
Arnab, I want to respond. Arnab, the same enforcement directorate in 2022 alleged that the mastermind of this so-called liquor scam is P. Sharad Reddy. On 9th of November 2022, he was called for interrogation. On 10th of November 2022, he was arrested when he refused to sign the pre-dictated statements made by the Enforcement Directorate. On 15th of November 2022, he purchased 5 crores electoral bonds which were donated to Bharatiya Janata Party. On 10th of January 2023, he applied for bail. He informed the Honorable Court at the Rouse Avenue that Enforcement Directorate is harassing him, threatening him to sign the pre-dictated statement to implicate Mr. Kejriwal. The bail was denied. Thereafter, in April 2023, he again applied for bail.
No,
Enforcement Directorate did not even oppose for the bail application.
May I just ask you something, sir?
In June 2023,
can I ask you
he
something?
turned into an approval.
Anmol,
Arnab, please don't interrupt. Allow me to complete. Arnab, you must allow me to complete.
Anmol, I am asking you something here.
I will also intervene if you won't allow me to complete. Arnab, you can ask me, but please let your viewers know
I
the
need
full
to ask
story.
you a point.
Let your viewers know what is the reality behind this scam. It is for the BJP to tell the people of this country that why did they take 60 crore rupees from the alleged kingpin of the liquor scam P. Sharad Reddy, which he donated on 8th November 2023, on 15th November 2022. Why did you take 60 crores from him? It is for you to answer. And if this case is false and fabricated, if the intent to prosecute is false and fabricated, if the evidence is tainted, then the question of morality is, it becomes irrelevant. And the ones who have absorbed all the corrupt leaders from the opposition parties are talking about morality. कुछ शर्म हया बची है या नहीं? सारे भ्रष्टाचारियों को अपनी पार्टी में लेके, भ्रष्टाचारियों को अपनी पार्टी में बड़े-बड़े पद देके आज मोरालिटी का भाषण दे रहे हो.
गजब लॉजिक.
जवाब दे दीजिए. आप जवाब दे दीजिए जनता को. Why did you absorb all the corrupt leaders?
Given him the zones and now you are alleging कि शरद रेड्डी को हमने पैसा लिया. गजब लॉजिक है बहुत.
बताइए पैसा क्यों लिया?
आपने क्यों दिया उसको ठेके?
बताइए पैसा क्यों लिया?
ठेके दिए ना.
रिश्वत क्यों लिया आपने 60 करोड़ रुपए की?
पैसे लेके
60 करोड़ की रिश्वत क्यों ली?
और
रिश्वत क्यों ली 60 करोड़ की आपने?
ये सब बीजेपी की है.
क्या सौदा हो गया था क्या इम्प्लीकेट करने का?
समीर रेड्डी जेल में है.
कैसे अप्रूवर बन गए?
उसी बाबू जेल में है.
आपकी एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट ने क्यों विरोध नहीं किया?
अभिषेक मनु मलिक जेल में है.
एक्सपोज हो गए आप जनता के सामने.
जेल में. ये सब तुम्हारे मिले हुए.
सामने एक्सपोज हो गए आप लोग.
कम ऑन माय डियर फ्रेंड, पढ़ के आया करो.
भ्रष्टाचार के भाषण देते हैं सारे भ्रष्टाचारियों को अपनी गोदी में बिठा के. वाह,
गजब. गजब लॉजिक
आपके
है।
आपके
ठेके तुम दो, है जोन तुम
नेता
दो,
अमित
मैन्युफैक्चरर्स
शाह
को तुम अलाउड
प्रेस
करो,
कॉन्फ्रेंस
and
में
you are
मना
saying
कर देते हैं
कैसे
बोलने
बीजेपी
से कि
नहीं है,
मुझे नहीं पता
कोई नहीं
हिमंता
मानने
बिश्व
वाला,
शर्मा कौन है।
कोई नहीं मानने वाला, कोई नहीं मानने वाला।